the time for planting, not necessarily pruning, but there are pruning tasks that you can do in the fall. And one of them would be to get rid of anything that is dead or disease. And this canna right here looks, the top leaves are dead on it. They're not producing anything and they look ugly. So we're going to go down to where we find a nice healthy leaf that is actually producing chlorophyll to feed the root system. And we're going to cut just above it and eliminate the dead part of this plant. And we can continue to do that all around this plant, getting rid of the parts that are not producing chlorophyll and doing any good for us, for the root system. Now it looks a lot better.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.